back to our channel, and we are the
Squad.
Alright, if you have not joined our squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell as well. So in our last video, if you watched it, in part 1, we ordered the wildlife habitat for us to watch caterpillars turn into butterflies. So
I don't want no moth.
Let me tell you guys a small disclaimer. So my sister-in-law said that when she was in high school, she did a project with caterpillars, and her caterpillars ended up turning into moths. And Kyler keeps saying that hopefully we don't get moths. So I don't think we're gonna get moths. Alright, so the butterflies did not come with the habitat, and we had to order them. We ordered them from Uncle Milton's. Inside of, let's see. So we ordered them from Uncle Milton's, and inside of the habitat, it gives you a card to order them, and it says it's going to take 2 to 5 weeks for us to actually receive the butterflies. However, not the butterflies, the caterpillars. However, we received them in less than a week. I think we received our habitat on Thursday, and today is Tuesday, May 18th. So it was like in less than a week they came. We have them, they're here. So we're gonna jump right into this video. We're gonna open up these caterpillars and let you know that there are live creatures inside. And I don't know exactly why I purchased this thing for them, because bugs freak me out. So if bugs freak you out, caterpillars are bugs, and they are living creatures. And we're about to just jump in.
I've been saw a butterfly before.
I'm not talking about the butterfly. I'm talking about the caterpillar.
What's wrong with them? We both saw a caterpillar before.
I didn't say we haven't saw a caterpillar before. I just said that bugs freak me out.
What is they?
Alright, so Kristen, sit with Kyler.
Okay. Come on.
Okay, we're gonna have Kristen sit with Kyler. Hey. How are we supposed to do this? Listen, y'all. Kristen has been very cranky today.
Yeah.
So, hey, don't do that.
Please.
Thank you. So, Kristen has been very cranky today, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. So, we have read the instructions over and over again, so hopefully we got it all down packed. It tells us to take this part out, pop this lid off, and the caterpillars are supposed to be inside of a container already, and so we just pop that container in, pop this lid back on, turn this upside down like so, and then we put it back into the habitat.
The habitat cage.
It's called a habitat, not a cage, baby. Alright, so let's open this up. Let's open it up.
Yeah. You have to be careful to not cut yourself. Cause I'm worried, cause I don't want my mama to get hurt. Where's the butterflies?
Kyler, there's no butterflies in here. They're caterpillars.
Ew, what are, ew.
Alright, so it comes with a
I see the
piece of paper that has the exact same instructions on there, and it says to take the caterpillar cup and put it into the chambers. Don't touch that. And
put it down. Ew.
alright, so here they go.
I see the babies. Stop.
Can you guys see that? There's the caterpillars.
What's it? What are that? What is that like inside it? I know they're worms.
Look, they're moving.
Ew. Them caterpillars.
Alright, so I had to take this off.
Hatched? They already hatched?
Kyler, yes, they didn't send us eggs. They're already hatched, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them in there. It's like so gross.
Ew. Ew. It looks so cute. Ew.
I'm gonna try to knock them all down to the bottom if possible, because I have to take, oh, it's like so creepy crawly. I have to take this lid off and put it in there.
Do we have to dump it?
No, did you listen to the instructions? We just place it in there.
Oh.
But this is so hard to do with Kristen being so cranky. So I got him in there. I didn't do that on camera. I'm so sorry if you guys want to see that. But it was like I said, kind of hard to do it with Kristen on my hip and everything. It says to open this box immediately when you get it in the mail. And we have already had it sit for about 2 hours now. So I was like, we have to get this video done and get the caterpillars inside of the chamber.
Put them in.
So we're going to put this in there. Let's make sure it's on.
For them to not get out. Oh my god, the caterpillars. Hi.
Alright, so I'm going to put them in there. And there they go. It takes 7 to 10 days for the caterpillars to go into their cocoon. How long for them to turn into butterflies? It does not say. So we'll have a part 3 of this video, and that will just be us documenting every day for the next 7 days until they go into the cocoon. And then we'll have a final video of them actually being birthed into butterflies. So here they go.
They're playing.
Okay guys, so I had to take a second and just thoroughly read this paper that came with the butterflies and not the paper that came inside the habitat. So the peanut butter resemblance type of substance that's inside of the thing with the caterpillars is food for the caterpillars, so that's supposed to stay in there. There's nothing else that we're supposed to do. In 7 to 10 days they're going to turn into the chrysalis and have their cocoon and everything. So they're almost there. So 7 to 10 days. Today is the May the 18th. Wednesday, just about, or Thursday, we should have some cocoons going on. I'm going to document it day by day. Today is our first day. So day 1 is today. Tuesday, May 18th. I just want to make sure I get that all documented. And the next video will have the next 7 days. So we're going to leave this video right here. Alright guys, so we will talk to you guys in a few days. And we're going to keep you guys updated on these caterpillars and our butterflies. We can't wait till they come. So until a few days from now, we're going to see you what? Later.
Peace out. Snapchat.